Hello, my name is Theresia Elizabeth, and I want to share about my unforgettable experience on my birthday in 2020. At the time, my family celebrated my birthday in Yogyakarta, and we went to Yogyakarta the day before my birthday. My family and I went by private car. At the time, we left in the morning and arrived in the afternoon. We chose a hotel near Malioboro, so it's easy to go sightseeing at night. When we got there, we immediately rest and continue our activities the next day. On my birthday, we celebrate by going to Prambanan Temple. Previously, we ate gudeg, and that was the first time I ate gudeg. At first, I didn't like it because the color was dark brown, but after trying it, it turned out to be quite tasty and sweet. After that, we went to Prambanan Temple, and we spent my birthday sightseeing and seeing the history of Prambanan Temple. My father and mother only looked around the cool area. Well, my sister and I went around and went to Ratu Boko Temple and saw the bathing place for the daughters of the king's daughters. Even though it was cool, Yogyakarta on the days was so hot that it burned my skin, leaving scars on my hands. After that, we came home, showered, and went to ice cream gelato to celebrate my birthday. We ate ice cream together until late at night. On the last day, we went to a batik shop, a typical Yogyakarta food, and accessory shop to buy souvenirs. And the next day, we returned to Jakarta to continue our activities. So, that's the story of unforgettable moment. Thank you for listening.